Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Today we have an unboxing from White Mountain Knives. It's one that I've been super anticipating. I'm stoked to bring it to you guys. I want to thank the channel members real quick before I get into it and invite you guys, if you hadn't had the chance yet, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification icon. It'll notify you when I release videos like these unboxings that come up sporadically. The unboxing knife today, and it also really helps the channel, is going to be this Amazon, I forget the name of it. It's a little razor knife. I've really enjoyed it. It works really well for unboxings. And I don't have to sharpen it. All right, guys. So you might have an idea what it is from the thumbnail and from the box. You might not. But this is a knife that I ordered because it's unique, it is badass, and it is designed by a friend. You can't see that there, but this is the Kizer Phoenix. Little drop bear sticker, extra body screws, untape it, and the Phoenix. Bear with me, guys. You know, I've got ADHD, OCD. Let me get this out of the way, or I'll stare at it when I should be staring at the knife. All right. Well, under first impressions, guys, this is much, much more than I expected. I've heard these are aluminum bolsters, but they sure look like tie bolsters. S35VN Persian blade, which is not normally my jam, but I'm loving the way it feels in my hand. It's got contoured scales, thumb studs. I'm trying to see if I can reverse flick it. I know I can. It's just maybe I need to break it in, or I'm not hitting my right spot. I will be middle finger flicking it before long, but it's got a fantastic flipper action. Thumb studs are money. I love this shred, orange and gray, and I see little specks of blue or lighter gray in there. You've got these ramps for your thumb studs. Looks like you've got T8s all the way around. Really nice clip. Let's see how it goes in and out of the pocket. This is not a review, guys. This is simply an unboxing. Goes in and out of pocket great. Has that really nice backspacer that I didn't notice, so I'll put it in my pocket. It's got really nice jimping on this flipper tab. Makes it impossible to fail it. The detent is crisp. It flies out. I just got to get the right spot for my finger. Perfectly centered. Look how well that blade sits in that carbon fiber, and how well it has inset those liners. You've got a lot of weight relief in those liners, but you don't even see them except for the liner lock because they're so well nested in that carbon fiber. Guys, Mattisfaction's designed a super cool knife, the Phoenix. I'm not only proud of him, I'm stoked for a knife that's not my jam. It's let me get some paper. It's something that it appeals to me on a lot of different levels. It appeals to me. I like the black and the carbon fiber. I like the shred carbon fiber. I'm not seeing a lot of voids. I love the black wash blade. Very, very sharp. Guys, that's me. Kizer has upped their game. The belly on this knife is sick. It's got serious bite. And guys, it's a full-size knife. I've only got a knife in my pocket. I got 3 knives in my pocket. Let's be real. All right, I've got a fixed blade. That is the Axon fixed blade, which is smaller than it. I have a Microsoft Stitch. Guys, it is almost as long as a Stitch. I would say it is as long as a Stitch. Maybe just a smudge shorter. But it is what I would consider a medium large size knife, which I like. I like that. I think it's going to be a great addition to the collection. It'll be a forever knife for me, just because I love it. I love where it came from. I love the ambition that it shows, and it kind of going to be a reminder to me that just do it. You know, you can talk about it, you can think about it, or you can just find a way to do it. And Brother Matty found a way to do it, and he did it his way. And I'm seeing this on Instagram all over. I'm seeing it posted by Kizer. I have a feeling this knife is going to be an absolute hit for them, and it's a deviation from the norm. That's what I love about it. Guys, grab yourself, when they're back in stock, or if you can find one, a Kizer Phoenix. Fantastic knife. I'll have a full review coming in a week or so, because this is one I definitely want to give a dedicated review to. Hopefully I'll be reverse flicking it by then. If not, that's okay, because the flipper tab is money. Thumb studs are money. The knife feels great in my hand. The carbon fiber feels very organic, no hot spots. I really love, I'm not going to say the rough feel, but the natural feel of that carbon fiber. I love the flecks of orange, and my color blindness shows me little specks of blue. So I'll just live with that fantasy. It could be a flashback. But guys, I want to thank y'all for watching this unboxing. I just hit the mat. Watching this unboxing on a Saturday afternoon, which is when I'll upload it. If you guys are members and you've hit the bell notification icon or subscribers, you'll be notified when I release this, which will be about 15 minutes. I was waiting for it. It was supposed to arrive on Thursday. Then it was supposed to arrive on Friday. I wanted to show it off on Friday Night Flicks. Today's Saturday. That didn't happen. Might be showing it off tonight. We might be doing some off the edge action. I'm not sure yet. But guys, this is the Kizer Phoenix, designed by the one and only Mattisfaction. And in that vein, I'm going to ask you guys, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love y'all. Stoked for you, Maddie. Love you guys. Peace.